Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Appreciate you coming by. My name is Lorraine and today I want to do somewhat of a blow dryer pour. It's not really a Dutch pour, but I'm going to show you what I have for colors. This is my Artist Loft White mixed about 2 parts Floetrol, and I put some water in it to thin it. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but it is just not leaving any trace. It's going right back into each other, right back in. I have a Deco Art Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold. I have a Deco Art Peacock Pearl. This is a medium magenta. I drip down the side there. And I have 2 self-mixed colors. This is a peach made with orange and white. And then this is a lighter peach made with unbleached titanium and a little bit of orange. And I can see that my magenta here is a little bit thicker than my oranges, so I'm going to put a little bit of water in it to thin it down. Because I'm using the blow dryer, I want my consistency to be fairly thin. Much better. Metallic paints, you need to leave them a little bit thicker, otherwise they blend with your paints and you get a sheen over the top of everything. So I'm going to start out by covering my canvas with white. By the way, this is a 12-inch by 24-inch canvas. And I'll get that covered. Okay, canvas is all covered. I'm going to get rid of some of the air bubbles in here. See, I got something in it here. Get rid of that. Okay, and the not a plan today is I am going to just cover my canvas with my colors. That's that light orange peach that I made. And I'm just going to have some fun throwing these colors down on the canvas. Make sure I get out to the edges, get enough in the middle. Those colors are gorgeous together. Okay. Let's go in with our medium magenta. I have no idea what this is going to turn out like, but we are going to experiment together and see what happens. Okay, and my gorgeous 24 karat gold. Throw it on there. And then this is my light peach made with that unbleached titanium and a tiny bit of orange. Okay, so let's see what we can do with our blow dryer. I'm going to turn it on low, no heat, and high blow. Okay, woo! Look at all the little cells coming out. It's so pretty. I'm gonna have to tilt this because I know I have more paint than what is needed. So I'm gonna tilt it a little bit. Try not to destroy the beautiful color combinations that are going on here. Bring this down. Get rid of some of the paint. Oof. I really like that light peach on top like that. That's pretty. Tilt it towards that corner bit. Okay. Woo, I'm pretty happy with this. Yeah, I have a lot of paint left over on the edges. It's okay. Let's give it a torch. I have a feeling that I'm going to get more lacing coming up through some of these opaque colors. Let's see what we can get here and get some of that pink to come up through. Some turquoise to come up through it there. Some orange. Get a tiny bit of white in the background. I'm going to tell you what, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Do need to cover the corners. I'm going to see about picking up some similar colors and just letting them drip down. Let's see over here. Pick up some of this gold. Drip it down. That corner's covered pretty good. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I'm going to bring the camera down so I can give you a nice close-up of it. It is really, really pretty. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for the likes and the shares, the beautiful comments that everyone gives me. Makes my day when I'm able to read all those comments. So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, and if you click the bell twice, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.